So this is the little Hotchkiss. As you can see, what can you notice that's different about this one now, Kawa?
Oh, you put more like grading on the tracks.
All right, I guess we're looking at the Hotchkiss.
Yay.
Let's have a look. All right, we'll go back over to the overhead. All right. You know what I need? I need a little Hearns cutting mat.
Oh, must have.
Absolutely. All right, so let's zoom in here a little bit. See if I can get it in there.
Have you switched the camera?
I have.
You
So
have?
this is what I'm seeing over on this screen over here.
Okay.
And I can put this in the corner.
Yeah.
And they can still see us. So this is the little Hotchkiss. As you can see, what can you notice that's different about this one now, Kawa?
Oh, you put more like grading on the tracks.
So the tracks look dirtier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think you do something with the gloss, semi-gloss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did I do? So I'll let it used to be semi-gloss. Now it's
like a matte.
Yeah. I put a matte coat on there, but because it's so glossy with semi-gloss, it's not coming up very flat yet.
So you can literally like covering a coat with another coating.
Yeah. Precisely.
Yeah.
So I did it with the semi-gloss.
Yeah.
I did the wash.
Yeah.
Actually, I haven't even done like put a video out there with the washes or anything yet. So people are getting a really exclusive look at this because it's probably going to be a couple of weeks until this video comes out of the latest update.
Yeah.
So this is the flat coat that I put over to protect the oil wash from what we're about to do next. So I did a video painting up all of the tools. As you can see, they have the wooden handles on them now.
Yeah.
And then what else have I done? I've done the flat coat and everything. And mud. I was gonna see if you would say anything about this.
Oh, you didn't rotate that, so I didn't notice that.
You didn't notice it?
Yeah.
I see. But yeah, I've put some mud on there. I've been using the Green Stuff World mud. I think it comes up really nicely.
Yeah, very neutral.
Very neutral.
Yeah.
It's not too wet. I was worried that it'd look really wet, like a wet mud.
Oh.
But the way that it is dried,
yeah, it looks like a dust or something.
Yeah, it does look like a dust.
Yeah.
And I've got some pigments and stuff that we're going to be putting on this. I'm not usually a huge fan of using pigments.
Why?
They just like spread really weirdly, which isn't my favorite thing about models. Let me come out here a little bit and I'll take this off and see if I don't break it.
Oh, be careful. Be careful.
I think this is the track that I broke last week.
Oh.
So I'm pretty ambitious trying to get this off. All right, there we go.
Oh.
Let's zoom back in here. So I chucked mud on the inside as well.
Oh, I can see.
Can see that?
Yeah.
Try and get some light down there.
Yeah.
When I'm working, I like to have it backlit as well, so that I can see where I'm going.
Yeah.
Look at that! You can see where I haven't sprayed it on the camera. But yeah, I've tucked all the mud up into the side skirts and everything, as you can see here.
Yeah.
There you go. And it's all just randomized. It's semi-randomized. So some of it has a lot of mud there, and some doesn't. But yeah, this is the Hotchkiss. It's been a big build, but I think it's been good.
Work in process.
Work in process, exactly right.
Yeah.
Well, we're still waiting for Brett. What else have we got?
Do
you want to do Ned? Yeah, let's do Ned. I'm not even going to put that back on. Yeah, we'll go out of this for a sec. Now it sits funny. Whoa! Oh, he might fall out if you do that.
Oh.
Were you holding? That's so close because he falls. We could have had to start a whole new Ned Kelly, guys. So he doesn't. You might, if you have a look at him here, he doesn't look much different, does he? He kind of looks like how you probably saw him last time. But I assure you, He has
Close up.
changed.
Ooh.
Holy
How?
moly. I mean, that gun looks terrible. I'll have to redo that, but let me know what you guys think. So Ned Kelly had steel armor made out of tractor bits.
Yeah.
And it oxidizes. So it goes from like a shiny steel to a very, very dull and rusty steel.
Yeah, I can tell.
So this has been the next step in Ned Kelly. Get a close up of that. There we go. There he is. I've just been doing a little bit of painting on that. Nothing too special. But here he is. He's got the oxidized armor. It's pretty cool.
Looks very realistic.
Very realistic.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Do you reckon we should put him on a diorama?
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Why not? Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's put him on a little vignette. A vignette is like a small little piece of work that you can show off your model on, which is really nice. So this is him. He's still got the movable arm.
Oh. So it's supposed to be movable, right?
No.
No.
Yes and no. We designed him so that you could take it off. Oh, well, kind of. Let me show.
Freedom of choice.
Freedom of choice, because he comes with a cape, right?
Yeah.
So he comes with this little cape. You can put him in there, but the arm has to go up. You see?
Yeah.
Like his arm doesn't go down with the cape on. But if you want to leave the cape off, like we have, and have him like really raw,
yeah,
you have his arm down, like as if he's about to shoot off.
Love that.
It doesn't look too bad.
Yeah.
I mean, the guns look hideous. I don't know what you've done, Kawa. Did you come in here and paint my guns? You made a mess of my model. This is just terrible. I'm really upset with this, and my ability to paint. this. I'm just a terrible painter. That's the.
Can you stop lying to the audience?